Hi guys, looks like the internet is not working here. So I'm gonna just do a video of our evening weigh-in. Don't know how to fix it, unfortunately. So we have kittens. They're pooping a lot. They're spreading poop on the floor. I don't know if you can see that, but there's like a trail. Yeah, that's fun. Petra wants you to know that she's gorgeous. Are you gorgeous? Oh, you are? Was that you, Charlotte? Are you gorgeous? Or was it you, Aragon? Who's pretty? You pretty girl. Isabeau is drinking. Mama is trilling. Aragon is flirting. Yeah. Claude is investigating my feet. Valois is getting a drink. Margaret is down there doing something. I don't know what she's doing. Chasing Mama, apparently. Yeah. Anyway, it's time for us to weigh the kittens while looking at the backyard. Time for the first kitten. Petra! Petra is weighing in at 896. Petra! Look how big you are! What do you think of the window? It's gonna dump over if you're not careful. Hi, beautiful girl. Let me help you down. Next up is Isabeau. Isabeau is weighing in at 924. Investigating the cat statue. Oh! Poor Charlotte. Anyway, Isabeau is 924. Charlotte, are you okay? Can I weigh you next and make sure you're okay? Oh, that's one way to stay cool. Charlotte is weighing in at 890. 890. Next up is Margaret. Margaret goes in. Margaret looks around. 828 for Miss Margaret. Where are you going? Ooh, heard that noise? What is it? What is it? Beautiful girl. Next up, Valois. She's so cute. She says, oh, don't pet me. Don't pet me. Oh no. Oh no, don't pet me. Valois. Stay there. Please. Don't jump. 912. 912. What do you think? Aragon, you're next. $9.98. What a big boy you are. $9.98, Aragon. Hi, baby. What do you think? I think my last one is Miss Claude. Not entirely certain where she is. I think she's back down there. Where's your sister? There she is. A good girl. She likes her pets. Claude likes her pets. Let's go get your weight. Dun, da, da, da. 8:48. And we get to watch the birdies. Alright, now that everybody's on the floor, I'm going to clean up because there's poop everywhere. Be back. Actually, just kidding. Here's the kittens. It's really hot. I don't want to hold my phone anymore. Just want to clean up and snuggle with the kittens. So you guys enjoy this. I'll update you more on the others at some point. Okay, bye.